Never poor my Benny. See me. Some members say me no ye give and take. I mean it's not radio so. That's not Facebook. But wontumitv ye debates. Don't money man attack. So yeah, for you to come and write, stay away from politics. With Jimmy Papa, Kwasia.
I'm giving you from tonight till what's in it. So one more bunting, I'm a paragraph John Mahama Agradaa.
Some members say no some media no so. Memo ponchiama je and Miss Ponchiama Baumia.
Ebusia enano pay dear evangelist mama part aka Agradaa na ghtrending ewo media no so pa ni nyina gina say ne wo say NDC fo bi trouble ne say adenti na woye campaign e de ama Dr. Mahama Baumia.
And I was saying addressing tonight.
Address me.
Now another with the kokobo and I get the kind.
Yo, meet you.
John Mahama.
What's here, Hana, Oheneba, and what you must was it Matisse Agradaa cancer movie? At your fat John Mahama. That means Obina Catchrow, wontumitv, Ufa when you hear. Also, wait till I make a jump some mubia. Mokasama JM, no more dream woman, Nebini. Yang, Obi to be sending video, Obi to me audio, Abrame, Mama Parts, Obi do attempt. Someone is insulting you, was Mama Part. I'm a trauma part. Stay away from the politics. Oh, yeah, for you to come and write, stay away from politics. With Jimmy Papa, Kwasia. So what for be a politician? Can I on their own? Woman, maybe you sister be an MP and Kaupe. We are if you back on. Don't come here and advise me here to provoke me. Don't come to provoke me here. Stay away from what? Politics. With Jimmy Papa.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I must sure say, obe subscribe amame. Now I click it on notification bell on the any upload be about on sabit me aka. Now I share, now I like it, and so there mama any comments be one. Open to me edge our comment section ho. Your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors. Afi so your TikTok as Let's Talk GH mestro. So obe follow these pages edia mame. Ebusia waka isa me de bremo. Say evangelist mama part and Sunday ye twem ko gina na sorry dem wa ne bombs there or to two be the man eyo mampanyi that John Mahama kire say nsem akese and obiebie so and osha description box ho a link ne da WhatsApp episode obekọ story na wakotie wasuma nsem akese a oka edefa papa ne ho eno enenam so ama Oheneba boama oye adwuma ewo Power FM aba ene wose wo wone hwan. Who born dog so bedidi omampanyi dada John Mahama.
Seven previous. Ya probia manaba bedi owura John Mahama temwa. Wa we deja de dabonte. Wo. Ana obedi owura John Mahama. Say. Ba omia de wo kwa na yiri tinechi. No owura John Mahama de kwa na yiri ninechi. Wo. Agradaa. Wo na wo jimi ye no a wo di tukrum han wa Agradaa. Se wanya unsem no no say unsem bia ma ya makabida. But be very careful. I am giving you from tonight till what's in it. Se one more bunting, I'm a paragraph John Mahama Agradaa. You know me. Said you mean one. Se one me patewa. What's in numre? Croway. You mean young my boko. My warning.
Ebusia na je Oheneba ana akasa no nti wakasa we na mama part by na say we say you know this kind of people no muka ho enti na NDC be wo opposition ache no woni hwan se won so beba no aba be kire me nia menye ene evangelist mama part de no waso
Abradaa na mo start campaign no aye no mu bi ni nyame nyin kire yen no ye fie ni ye niama e support o mo ma mo de ye campaign no. Why the Bible say that? Nobody. Why me now radio? So I'm a go and ask your NDC people. Abradaa mobile ko. Agradaa Love Palace. Many 1,000 cities. Many capre. Me the sponsor mu free. Mu be there mu free. And I'm over here walk na mo koy. Why need to be far phone friend me dama say? Say mama, why you dey why need to be dama say? Nobody. Nene nyame akasa kire me na me de prophecy about Montia. Now you are here to attack me. So, ye niamama mo anti na mo hunu. So you have a platform which you can come and address me. But abra Eastern me ya de papa de ma mono. Wa me tsa ma me damasi o. Bra. E ma me go deep wate. Ma me fanso ya. The catch say NDC is my blood, is my father, is my family. I love John Mahama. I will never disrespect him. But abra mo ba kwa Eastern mu. Amo ba ye work. MPP force ba ye work. But because of so na me drop party into no. Agradaa Love Palace na me wie. See, Agradaa Love Palace na me wie you know. Me the mamu free, manye mo 1,000. So now you have this platform. And ka obet me abet oh, o de ka be fra me comfort say na wo fra me comfort ya. Ka be fra me comfort, o comfort Agradaa nyame nhira o. Say wo the whole Love Palace. Emma NDC for dem mu free manye obi eska. Na se dem madam nyame aka kira me se maame, jai papa na wo ye no. Na Dr. Mahmoud ba o me na me de ba bet sa kunwa na so. You have got a platform to come and address to disrespect me. How Musubai? Musubai say it's my power. What was here? What was here? But only prophecy can minimum cause oh. God bless you for your courage. Because nobody in your media some would make. Also would say just common news. They also about them. By my yard the cashier with your mamu. Obedient me about radio so including those insulting me over there. Video no who ye pa. By nobody ye be attacking me. Nina. Nobody came out so be damase. Obia me damase. Why me damase? Obia me damase. And so free. If you hold the whole house, so be any Agradaa Love Palace. The whole house. Me the mamo. Air condition free, light free, and so free, everything free. Why not to be a video be damase? Obia me damase. But eneno obia ko twama numu asem akoye obia be twama numu asem akoye editing ebia ka wonsa what say you have my number Oheneba you have my number you couldn't call me what bet now platform so e be ma me warning na wo warning na be kwan mumu bi say na mo man crofo didi JM atem no wo warning na ina be ko be say sa baller we nyina na wo say JM pam wo mu nyina including Mabi pam wo mu nyina la what must say? What happened?
So I'm about to make us your cafe over John Mahama. I am for sure no party.
Masa, when you chapel, me knew be atom na be panicho. I am miscommunication. And go for call cat here and almost spread it. And no, Sammy Miss Massimi Bussy me DJ Matemwa. Wo Oheneba, who audio way, will never call me to come and apologize. Unim, Sammy means so much son Maham. Before I will come out to speak anything, make J home and was idea we are make cano. I will never come out to retract it. It is like me. Now you no Christmas be bossy. Now you no Christmas be bossy be DJ and Matemwa. So would Jimmy Casaway, ain't me my want to me patch order. Because I can't, and I mean it's not me kind. So you will remember patch out. But any say a no crazy enemy who video no me bab on say my baba address. And I am putting it to you, say. So almost a video no, I never warning where my baba address you, Daddy. I am opening no and a friend me. And I'm saying, Daddy, I can never disrespect you. This is what God has told me, but I will never disrespect you. So I will go out and do the disclaimer. By what would you have say, well, my bon tia me patch away, quite me then me faso. And then I remember faso. Ah? A quite man I remember faso, anybody. Because yeah, the maybe down here the wood now, JM who chose me than you. Wouldn't say the maybe down here the we are doing now. JM will choose me more than you. To Mumubino, Motin Samoa, like you should do a thorough investigation before you come out to talk. That's it. Moniama saying to Namamu Lusuno. Mumiente. Moniama saying to Namamu Lusuno. Yanko. You know what wow, she. Nipa we se omo was mama who se papa love so nipa we yo se okasa ama political party aba power so te do kan wo di agura hia ma hia gu so no Because I attend ye pen obet me edimi. Only attend ye no. Oheneba ntimi nya me hwe only attend ye pe. Ana obeba bedimi. Ti sa nipa we okofa ne se o me kasa ma umra power. Obet na opposition for the rest of your life. Do money man attack. Do money man attack. Me. Master, point of correction. Point of correction. Mimi madeja da monte. Opwa. Go and do the research on the media. Oheneba, go and do the research on the media. A man on madeja da monte no. Me nka ho. Me pacha ho. On sa word where you use mami. And I just me respect JM1. Sa wonu wase we metimi dia ponche no. E kano kracha. Go and do your research. A man on my day jade da bonte sa mo Kwasia ki no a mo di defend the penny no. Musu anyansa o. Musu anyansa because for you to say we dey jade da bonte a me obi e me social media no so dey. One on my day jade da bonte me nka ho. Ti sa mo kofa emua we se wo mo kofa Mahama se wo ba be pa konwa na emua we e na ebetu Mahama fo a Ghana for ma we ye. Look at this. How can you talk like this? One more video. When you research, look at the way you are talking. Go and do your research on the media. I respect myself very well. Some man or munufu no mo cheda bonse me nka bi. Enu tsa me jawale and then ma wale ne. Me bu me ho. I respect marriage. Me bu oba na ya me dia ma me no. Me bu me ba ho papa. Ti wo se o kasama political party to come to power. Look at some words you were using to me. Ye pobia mana be kan John Mahama semwa. Enya wo we dey jade da bonse. Memi adwa part. To fia kwa. Ebi nsi da na ebi nsu nsi da. Me sabe me twane na form to say oh papa no. Ne mprafo no. I don't want to go there. Don't provoke me. I don't want to go there. Me
because I will say any comments be our no beja el comment section. One follow your pages on TikTok as Let's Talk GH and then on Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors. Ede amame. Mama party buofu ye sanso eno Oheneba boaman so buofu ye NDC supporters ebinum so buofu ye because on say evangelist mama part anu etia eye omu ekandi ni obi a wodi o manimi santi maame no emra no be apologize enye sa enkoyie mede mani edi nsem nachi any update bi ebefi wa bebia mede baba be so mo me kan mo say ye beto aba Ochina on the 7th of December yetu aba yesre se wenchi ye hia ewo Ghana kwoto wa abadin ne konfie asundue ne boye den se hwere ya nti yembo yasundue ho ban medin ede na na eki asantoa makram